Right now, in your pocket or in your hand, there is a piece of technology that knows which way is up. Tilt it and the screen rotates. Shake it and the game responds. Walk with it and it counts your steps. That small sense of motion, the thing that makes a phone feel alive, was engineered in part by a boy from a town most of the world has never heard of. He would go on to hold a US patent claimed by the American government itself. He would help build a company now recognized as one of Africa's leading technology firms, and he will still find the time to teach at some of the world's most respected universities. This is a countdown, 3 achievements ranked by how much they changed the world around them. And number 1 is sitting inside more homes on this planet than almost anything else ever built, with an Igbo mind behind it. Professor Ndubuisi Ekekwe was born in July 1975 in Ovim, Isukwato, Abia State, southeastern Nigeria, Igbo land. At secondary technical school, he set a record, 8 distinctions, not luck, discipline. The same discipline that carried him to the Federal University of Technology, Owerri, where he graduated as the best student in his class, earning a degree in electrical engineering. From there, the degrees kept coming. A master's in technology from the Federal University of Technology, Akure, a master's degree from Tuskegee University in the United States, an MBA from the University of Calabar, a doctorate in management from St. Clement's University, and a PhD in electrical and computer engineering from Johns Hopkins University, where he specialized in microelectronics and medical robotics engineering. 2 doctorates, 4 master's degree, 1 man. At number 3, First Atlantic Semiconductors and Microelectronics. Professor Ekekwe is the founder of this company, recognized as West Africa's leading embedded systems firm. His research works there has spanned the manufacturing of integrated circuits for alternative energy applications, biomedical engineering, medical robotics, and neuromorphic engineering, the design of computer chips that mimic how the human brain processes information. This wasn't chasing a paycheck abroad and staying there. This was building a semiconductor infrastructure on African soil in a sector almost entirely dominated by a handful of countries on other continents. Number 3, prove that global-grade engineering expertise can be built and stayed rooted at home in Africa. At number 2, the medical robots. Professor Ekekwe invented and patented a robotic control system used in minimally invasive surgical robots, machines precise enough to operate inside the human body through incisions smaller than a fingertip. In 2017, the United States government acquired assignee rights to that patent. Governments don't attach themselves to inventions casually. They attach themselves to inventions that matter. Think about the weight of that. A surgical technology born from an Igbo engineer's mind, judged significant enough for a global superpower to claim a formal stake in it. Number 2, precision, patented and recognized at the highest level a government can offer. And finally, at number 1, and this is the one already living in your hand. While working at Analog Devices Corporation, Professor Ekekwe was part of the engineering team that co-designed a generation of the accelerometer used in the iPhone, the sensor that tells the phone which way is up, that rotates the screen, that powers fitness tracking and games. He also created the company's first wafer-level chip-scale package for inertial sensors, a manufacturing breakthrough that made these sensors smaller and more efficient to produce at a commercial scale. This wasn't a solo act, and it doesn't need to be exaggerated into one to matter. He was one of the engineers on a team whose work sits inside one of the most recognizable products ever made, carried by hundreds of millions of people in nearly every country on earth. Number 1, an Igbo mind on the team that quietly built part of the architecture the whole world holds. A semiconductor company built at home, a robot for the world's most delicate surgeries, a sensor inside the world's most iconic phone. But titles matter too, because this is not just an inventor. This is Professor Ndubuisi Ekekwe, a man who has held professorships at Carnegie Mellon University and at Babcock University, a TED Fellow, an IBM Global Entrepreneur, a World Economic Forum Young Global Leader, a recipient of the IGI Global Book of the Year Award, a man who served on the United States National Science Foundation's own Engineering Research Committee, 3 achievements, 2 doctorates, 1 professor, teaching on 2 continents, 1 relentless mind, from a small town called Ovim in Isukwato, Abia State. This is the same foundation underneath every Igbo engineer, every Igbo professor, every Igbo name now sitting in laboratories, lecture halls, and boardrooms across the world. It didn't start with opportunity handed down. It started with someone who built it. If you enjoyed watching this beautiful documentary about the towering achievements of Professor Ndubuisi Ekekwe, kindly hit the subscribe button. My name once again is Prince, or the name Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune. Thanks for supporting N1 Cultural Forum. Kindly look through our channel. You'll find so many other interesting videos you can binge on. I will see you in my subsequent videos. Bye-bye.
N1